Yo, what's up? It's me, Ethan. I'm back playing Toca Kitchen. And you already heard in the last video, I'm gonna make some ramen noodle soup. So let's get. Who can I choose? The Yeti guy again. He's my favorite. Okay, I see some pepper. This probably will be a long video. 14 minutes long. Okay. Okay. Well, guy. Oh yeah. Make this. I don't know why we need onion to spice things up, and a carrot. Have you heard of those things from, the things at, the ramen noodle potato thing? Here, I'll show you it. So, here is the picture of it. I don't know what flavor it should be. It'll be like onion and carrots. So, let's get back. So, I hope you like it, because I'll work really hard. Okay? First ingredient. We need to boil these noodles. Who knew making ramen noodles was easy? Okay, next we'll add some salt, because everything needs salt. Now let's deep fry them. I don't know if it tastes good if noodles are deep fried. It can make them crispy. Okay, let's cut up the carrots. Move the label. Okay. Okay. I hope I don't cry for the onions. Hey, I'm not crying for the onions. Oh yeah, this is a game. Okay. Hey, be gentle with your food, mister. Oh man, I can't do that to him. Okay, maybe the deep fry will help then. Be better cooking. Okay. Now how do I make them stick together? Okay, and dinner is through. A ramen noodle soup of onions and carrots. So I hope you like it. Okay, open wide. Wait, hold on. How did you like it? Ew, yeah. He did not have to burp. Just eat the whole thing, yeah. Eat the whole thing. Please don't burp. Yep, I knew it. Now, next we're gonna make a smoothie and more ramen noodle soup. We can make like a, let's try some. A strawberry smoothie. We need more strawberries. More strawberries. Oh, sorry. Okay. Gonna move this right there. We need to add the whole strawberry. Okay. Looking good. The ramen noodle soup is looking good. I mean the drink. Now let's make some dinner. Oh yeah. Let's see. We can make a steak. Have you heard of those things called like Texas steak? Well, this is not like a Texas steak. I wish it was. Because Texas steaks are delicious. Sam, what's your favorite food? Let me know in the comments below. Okay, we need to deep fry them because they look good at deep fried. I mean, fried. Okay, they look delicious. Okay, you have a large pan of steak. Let's see like them. Now drink up. Okay. Hmm. Now let's add some French fries with it. Hold on, we have to slice them in half. And making some French fries. Well, here comes the French fries. They're going to be deep fried, so I hope you enjoyed them deep fried. I worked really hard. It took me... Okay, let's deep fry. Ah, come on, just get the... Get... So I hope you enjoy your deep fried French fries. Let's see how you like it. I'm angry! Maybe they weren't deep fried. Oh yeah, they weren't deep fried. Now they must be delicious. Hold up, gotta boil them. Because every French fry needs boiling. Okay, let's see if you like them. Whoa! You know what will go good is ketchup. It'll go good with ketchup. Oh. I think he did like it. Come on, eat. Well, try something even gooder. Okay, he likes them. Okay, it seems pretty normal to me. Let's make something else. What is that? Let's just try to make you a smoothie. What is that? I think it's rice. Probably some corn. I've had some corn. But it's good. Okay, let's make it a fish, chicken, a wiener, a hot dog, a steak, and... Is that an octopus arm? Well, I'll just probably go shrimp. I heard that Red Lobster popcorn shrimp at Dairy Queen. Red Lobster popcorn shrimp is good. Okay, let's boil them. Fry them. Wow, sorry, I dropped my phone. Okay. Do you think you're normal cooking food? Okay. Wait, hold up. I gotta get that popcorn shrimp. Gotta make some popcorn shrimp. Deep fried. Boil. I'm sorry, shrimp. But this guy have tea. No, please don't. Huh? He liked it. Okay. Here's a steak. And here's some shrimp. Here's a hot dog. And here's a chicken leg. Whoa! He ate the whole bone. Now let's see. He likes bones. What? He ate it raw! Disgusting! Let's just cook some tentacle arm. Next, you eat raw food? Oh. Let's try another chicken leg, another hot dog, more fish, and another steak. Everyone loves steak. Now this one could actually be be deep fried. I mean deep fried. Let's see if he likes it. Oh, something's not deep fried. This thing. I forgot to deep fry it. Okay, let's try the hot dog. Let's say steak. Gross. Okay, let's try deep fried chicken leg. Okay, fish. And now tentacle arm. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe. Next, we'll be playing Toca Kitchen 3, and we'll be making smoothies with food. Or discussing smoothies. So, bye!